Avengers Infinity War.
He's in Avengers Infinity War as well.
You got the wrong guy. I'm not with them.
I'm not with them.
That was funny.
Oh, Rocket.
I don't learn. It's one of my issues.
Funny. Avenger Kids. Yay!
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe to my journey. Wow, big clap. There's Iron Man. He's what? He's Iron Man. Egg.
Iron Man wants to see what's inside too.
What Iron Man? I got Hulk smash.
Awesome. That's Marvel Avengers Hulk.
Hulk smash. Look, I got the bag on from Avengers Infinity War.
That's the bad guy from Avengers Infinity War.
Yeah,
Yeah, what's his name?
Thanos.
Thanos. Thanos from that movie, Marvel Avengers Infinity War. Oh, he was the big bad guy, wasn't he?
And Hulk tried to mess it, then got hurt
Ah, Hulk tried to get him, but then Hulk got hurt.
because he folded him up.
Yeah, they look like the same size.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe Hulk is a little bit bigger than Thanos, but Thanos is pretty powerful.
Because he has a feeling called red. Wow, kids, I got another giant egg. Look, kids, this is Captain America.
Awesome! So what else have you got now, Adventure Kid Connor? You've got,
He's such a great inventor.
yeah, he was the first Avenger. You've got Captain America, Iron Man, Hulk, and Thanos.
Yes, he's a bad guy, the big bad guy.
Yeah, that's right. Let's see what else.
Look, kids, I got another prize egg. Now I can open it. Ooh, that's tower. Then you can do. Okay, like another was cow.
Cool. Star-Lord from Guardians of the Galaxy has music.
And he is in Avengers Infinity War.
He's in Avengers Infinity War as well.
You got the wrong guy. I'm not with them.
I'm not with them.
That was funny.
Oh, Rocket.
I don't learn. It's one of my issues.
He's funny.
Put the guns down and step away from the tree and the raccoon.
He's funny.
He is very funny.
Yes.
I like him.
I was Wakanda forever.
Ooh, I wonder if you're going to get a surprise egg with Black Panther himself. He's the one that says Wakanda forever.
Wakanda forever.
That's right. Well, let's put Star-Lord from the Guardians of the Galaxy next to all his friends from the Avengers, because he was with them in the Marvel Avengers Infinity War.
Because it's the Avengers Infinity War. Because that's Thanos. Wow, kids, I got another giant egg supply. Hopefully, I know. Spiders. It's Spiderman.
Awesome! It's Spiderman! It's like really cool because it's got web. Wow! He's got webbing on his arms. That's cool. Which one's your favorite? Spider-Man from Marvel Avengers Infinity War or from Spider-Verse? Which one did you like?
Which Spider-Man you love, Mom?
I like both of them. I like Spider-Man from Spider-Verse, and I like the Spider-Man from Marvel Avengers Infinity War as well.
I know Miles Morales and a big one.
Yeah, that's right. Miles Morales was wearing a different costume in Spider-Verse, and Peter Parker was the one that was in Marvel Avengers Infinity War, but he was also in Spider-Verse. But the main Spider-Man was Miles Morales in Spider-Verse. Cool. What else do we have next, Adventure Kid Connor?
Look, kids, I got another giant exploit. I hope it'll be full.
Well, let's have a look.
I got him.
Wow, it's Thor from Ragnarok, and he's got his
Hammer.
hammer. Awesome.
What else is cape? Why he has no cape?
I don't know, maybe he lost it.
Yeah.
Well, you can put him with the other Avengers.
Video. Huh? He was in one of spaceship. He was in.
Yeah, he was in Thanos' spaceship, wasn't he?
Yeah. That means I just looked enough to him. Look, kid. I hope it will get more. Sorry, Spiderman. Because you're not. It's only a figurine. Because there's more. And I got another giant exploit. Black Panther! I want a Wakanda first.
Awesome.
He's a king of Wakanda.
That's right.
And this is Thor, this is Thanos, this is Hope, this is Iron Man, this is, I know, Captain America, this is, I know, Star Wars, this is Gamora, this is Spiderman, this is Black Panther.
It's the Thor's Hammer Challenge. First up, it's Hulk. Oh, he tried to get it out, but he couldn't. Who's the next contestant?
I cannot get it.
Oh, Thanos could not get the hammer. Next contestant.
Oh, he can fly.
And he'll try to blast it. And then he has to try to get it.
I'm not too sure. Next challenger, Captain America. He cannot get it. A silly one.
Let's see what he says.
There's one other name you might know me by. Star-Lord. I come from a planet of outlaws.
Oh, so he should be able to get it. Oh, he moved it. Let's see if he can grab it from the floor. Oh.
He cannot. It has to push. Too heavy because all small. Oh, I can't get it.
No, she couldn't.
Challenger.
Next challenger.
At least I can find. What is Spiderman? At least I can get it. Oh, it's too stuck.
Oh, he tried, but even his sticky spider webs couldn't get the hammer from Thor.
Because it's stucky. It's unsticky.
Last contestant is Black Panther. Let's see if he's...
Oh, he can cross.
Yeah, ooh. Oh, he got Thor's hammer. It was Black Panther, Wakanda Forever, that got Thor's hammer.
Because he's fast. Because he just...
Oh, Thor thanks Black Panther for returning his hammer to him. So the winner of Thor's Hammer Challenge is...
Black Panther.
Awesome! Black Panther gets to join Thor and celebrate. Woo! They will join forces and save the world. Yay!